Boom shakalaka, with the majority in disbelief. Even Willy Woo chimes in to point out where we are in the psychology of a market cycle and why Bitcoin is running out of time. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why Bitcoin is running out of time. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 52, sideways for the past few days. The overall market up 1% today. Bitcoin at 21,289, Ethereum at 1584, BNB at 302, XRP 38 cents, Cardano 35 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon $1.01. And if we take a look, Bitcoin right now is hovering exact levels where we saw resistance right before the FTX collapse. Right now, trading in this sideways area between about $20,000 and $23,000, above a lot of critical resistance levels where we might find support. And what may happen, we could form a little head and shoulders right down here if Bitcoin price dips and then takes back off, which would push Bitcoin price up to roughly $30,000. But right now, people are very, very skeptical about this market pump recently. As we can see right here, someone with 1.1 million views saying, I don't trust this Bitcoin pump. Anyone else? And Titan Crypto makes a great point here. That's the exact type of tweet you want to see at the bottom. Willy Woo even throws his hat in the ring, saying he suspects we're in the disbelief phase of the cycle. This is after we've already reached the total lows, when everyone thinks in disbelief this is a sucker's rally right before it takes off. And we can see Titans of Crypto again saying majority in disbelief. While most people are still in doubt regarding the recent pump, the Williams percent are on the 2-week time frame down here on the bottom, showing a switch in momentum for Bitcoin with a crossover that we see right here. Imagine what will happen when all the money waiting on the sideline starts to panic buy. We can see that the previous times this crossed over, this was indicative of the bottom. But the majority right now are betting on markets crashing. Still, I don't know how, but they still are. A big short squeeze in the works. The put-to-call ratio has been trending up, making new highs as investors bet on massive downside for the market. We can see right now the put-to-call ratio at highest levels, while markets are relatively low, could cause a short squeeze, causing markets to go up even higher. The emerging market McClellan summation thrust is just showing strong signs for the market. These have marked the beginnings of some solid 6 to 12 months gains since 1995. Each time we saw thrusts similar to what we just saw, this was basically the bottom before a massive rally. This could be the bottom before a massive rally. Bitcoin has just validated its bullish divergence. We've been talking about the bullish divergence with the price coming down, the RSI going up. The validation took place right here on the RSI. Right now, waiting on validation for the price. This is actually the trend line that is stopping Bitcoin price from moving up any higher from where it is right now. If we break through there, that would be huge validation for Bitcoin price, likely sending the price skyrocketing, because like it or not, it's suggestive the bottom is already in. A touch of the CVDD band and also the balanced price band, the orange and the green ones here, could determine every bottom in Bitcoin's history. During COVID bottom, 2018 bottom, 2015, 2011 bottom, every single one of them might have just done it yet once again. This indicator here showing the bottom could be in whenever the red line started pointing downwards, as we're seeing happening right here. The bottom was in or close to in. The red line starting to decline, which means on average, the average sentiment oscillator on the 3-week, the bottom could be in by January 23rd, running out of time. Also, if we take a look at this, every time that Bitcoin had a breakout of the 20-weekly SMA, an important moving average for Bitcoin, because once Bitcoin breaks through it, which you can see right down here, has just done, the bull market begins every single time. Bitcoin is running out of time. Yet another bull signal, the 2-week MACD. The period just ended in Bitcoin's history, turned green. This, once again, every time, has been a massive bullish signal for Bitcoin. And if you want to just go based on time alone and trend lines, you can see that this trend line separates the bear market from the bull market, separates the bear market from the bull market. We just broke through that trend line and likely are in the beginning of the bull market, which brings us to this one chart saying why Bitcoin is running out of time. Bitcoin is about to exit its cyclic accumulation zone. Price has always risen rapidly after that. If you're waiting, not financial advice, but if you're waiting, you got to wonder who's the sucker down here, the guy who doesn't buy or the guy who does. So the Bitcoin's cyclic accumulation zone is between the 78.6 and 1 fib. Well, after leaving that, Bitcoin price rises rapidly. After leaving that, price rises rapidly. Well, right now we are at the 78.6 fib level right now. If price goes up, if we can break through this level, which we were pointing out right here, the 21.3, roughly that area, if we can break through there, price will likely rise rapidly as everybody who's been doubting starts to buy back in. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.